Alright guys, this is the day this video is going up. I'm currently editing, but I just wanted to say this week I found some really good stuff and I think you guys will really enjoy this content. Now if you would, I'm going to every single Goodwill in Indiana. It's a ton of driving, a ton of time, and a ton of work and energy on my end. All you have to do for me, please, is drop a subscribe and like the video if you do like it. If you don't, then don't worry about it. But I guarantee one of my videos that I've posted in the past, I think it was like 30 plus videos, like one of them, and you can learn something from one of them for reselling for yourself to make more money. So I think you guys will really enjoy this video. Thrifting all across Indiana, I found a nice patch of Goodwills that I've never been before, and some stuff that I didn't even know was there, so I was able to stop there as well. But yeah, let's get to the video and the first stop of this week's thrifts. Alright, the first stop, we picked up this Oakley crew neck. Always picking up Oakley right now. It sells really well for me. We got a Carhartt t-shirt, a nice Harley Davidson fleece, women's or men's on that one, just good cream colorway. This nice little naturey with a collar. I like it, good crew neck. The Columbia ended up leaving this one. They wanted $15.99, which is outrageous. The Nike Air newer piece, the Pacers Kids little onesie, and then we got this Michigan State puffer, nice Reebok piece. I don't find a lot of Michigan State stuff, so I like it when I do. We got a Rocky Mountains, just a nice little quarter zip with the vintage South Carolina t-shirt. Good fade on that one. And then we got these Old Navy Carpenter Painter's pants. 3 pairs of these really nice camouflage pants. If you know me, camo always sells well. Hoping to get around $100 for all 3 of those combined on Depop. Then we got some Duluth trading cargos, some Nike Y2K baggy sweatpants, which has been really hot for me recently. We got another pair of Nike baggy sweats. Hoping to get around $25 a piece for those, and some Adidas ones. Then we got these vintage orange tab Levi's shorts, good 80s pair. And then we got the vintage Levi pants to go with it, and the whitewash to go with them as well. And then we got the Y2K silver tab Levi's, nice pair there. Those always sell well for me. I found a couple this week. And then we got some 511 tactical cargos, 3 pairs of those, or 2 pairs, sorry. And then we got these Nike black sweatpants. We also grabbed this Nike hat, good fade and wear on that one, needs a good wash. And this Adidas hat I ended up leaving over here because they wanted $5.99 for it, even though with tags, I don't know what I can get for it. Sorry to pause the video, but I need to tell you guys about this event I have coming up in the next week. I'm going to be vending at Circle City Vintage Festival, March 2nd, 4 to 9 p.m. in Indy. Here is the pamphlet right here. You guys can check out all the information. There's something different I'm doing with my booth this year that I haven't done before with any other booth I've ever done in the past, and that is I am going to be doing a whole entire booth except for one rack of $10 items. Everything in my booth is going to be $10. Now, you might think, oh, he's just going to throw like his death pile, his junk in there. Y'all, I have so many good items that are going to be $10. Buy 5, get 1 free. Started off with, we got this nice little Ocean Pacific surfwear, the OP tag. We got the vintage Taz Looney Tunes, little golf t-shirt, the vintage Armageddon movie promo, super smoked out. I just got this one in the mystery box. If you haven't seen that, go check that video out. We got Affliction, we got music t-shirts, we got sports, Atlanta Braves, Ed Hardy, some true vintage, Denver Broncos. The whole stack, I mean, it really never ends. There's Y2K quote t-shirts, a ton of good stuff. I mean, more Ed Hardy. And all you have to do is come to the event, find my booth, spend some money with me. I really need to get rid of a bunch of stuff, so I do appreciate it. And again, here's the pamphlet for that event. Make sure if you're in the area or if you're traveling, there's people coming from California to vend and go to this event, so you don't want to miss out. If you are in Indiana, make sure you're there at the AMP, the pamphlet right here. Go ahead, check that out again. And hopefully I'll see you guys there in the next week. At this stop, we picked up this Y2K Colts crew neck. Always find Colts pieces and I always buy them. And then we got a vintage Harley Davidson t-shirt, super basic, but good piece for the $10 rack at the event I was talking about. Then we got the Raiders vintage crew neck, another piece that I'll probably throw on $10 rack. And then we got this Polo Ralph Lauren quarter zip, with this Gap hoodie. And then we got a nice vintage San Diego crew neck. Great color on that one with artwork. It's super thick as well. And then I grabbed this awesome Carhartt women's piece. Really good condition on this one. Gave it a nice wash for a couple spots it had, and it turned out really clean. At this stop, I picked up this vintage Indiana University crew neck, and then a Y2K Russell Indiana crew neck. Good thick quality. We got the Y2K Nike long sleeve. Good fade on that one. And then we got another pair of silver tabs. These sold for me really quick on Instagram for $40, so make sure you follow my IG. At this stop, we picked up this vintage 80s single stitch tie-dye t-shirt, super cool fractal design. Then we got a Harley women's top with tags. And then 3 pairs of tactical 511 black cargos, just like the earlier ones. These sell really well for me for around 25-30 bucks. Then we got a nice pair of green canvas Carhartt pants. Those are always good. Some Nike shorts. These are going to be personal. I'm going to keep these for the summer. It's a good color and they have pockets, so I like them. Then we got a pair of Y2K Quicksilver board shorts. And then a Bass Pro sweatpants. These and the Reebok ones both sold within a day of posting on Depop. We got a vintage Nike windbreaker. Good fade and wear on that one. I like the spell out. The Adidas t-shirt, single stitch. That one's going to go in the $10 rack. Same with this Jeff Gordon t-shirt. Then we got a Colts Y2K piece. A Homer Simpson t-shirt for the $10 rack. And then a nice pastel-y Colts hoodie. Good fade on that one. This stop, we picked up this Bob Marley Y2K t-shirt. Another one that's getting added to that $10 rack, guys. You don't want to miss it. Same with this one right here. Gonna throw some bangers on there for you. This is New York Kings wrap tee. We got a Cleveland Browns with tags. This was a gift to a friend. Then we got a pattern 3D knit sweater with a Wilson blank olive crew neck. This stop, we got this Texas crew neck. And then some more Harley Davidson pieces. I always find these and they always sell for me really well. Got the vintage Super Worn Hard Rock Cafe crew neck. Purdue piece. Another Harley Davidson's woman's top. Then we got some Wrangler Riggs workwear shorts. And then we got a couple pair of Nike sweatpants here. Good cotton neck, super thick Y2K pair there. And then this silver Y2K track pants. These sell really well for me, so I picked those up, of course. And then we got a Colorado t-shirt, another $10 piece for the rack. This stop, we got these Adidas swishy sweatpants. The world's coolest Uncle crew neck on the Gildan Ultra Blend. Then we got the Hoosiers, nice little IU t-shirt. The black Nike sweatpants. And then a Mountain Hardwear fleece woman's jacket. These sell really well for me. I'm hoping to get around 35 bucks. Alright guys, so just got home and there was a package on the front door. Read the label. It was something I purchased on shopgoodwill.com, which is very whack in my opinion, but literally ending 20 seconds before I bid. I got it for like 15 bucks, which is an absolute steal. It's an NFL Indianapolis Colts, super crazy, like NASCAR style jacket. It's from like the 2000s. I don't know exactly when, but yeah, so I got this on their thing, which is kind of a bummer also because this was from like North Carolina, so I don't really care because I don't thrift in North Carolina. But if you go to like where you live and shop Goodwill, you can filter your town or city and you can see everything that the city has posted from like the Goodwill regional area. It's super sad and depressing, so do it at your own risk, but that's a nice little pickup. And I think in total I paid like $25 with shipping and handling and everything with it, so not bad. Nice little pickup there. Alright, just got at the flea market, put in a bunch of bags of new stuff, but on the way out, I happened to see these. We got this nice little vintage Realtree crew neck. This was only 12 bucks. Great deal. Size XL. And then we got this super cool Colt 45 vintage varsity. Has a little bit of like wear on the sleeves. No holes though, it's just like yellowing. Try to get that out. But it is a good piece and I paid $20 for it. So, not bad at all for the vintage varsity. I like this one a lot. But yeah, quick little flea market stop, and that's all for today. At Plato's Closet, we found this vintage 80s wool IU jacket. Nice little piece, pretty plain, but surprised to see that here. And we got this vintage Steak and Shake crew neck, nice cream colorway. The 80s Notre Dame t-shirt, nice little find. And then some Wrangler pants for only $6. Just picked them up because they sell for about 25 to me. At this stop, we got this Hello Kitty hoodie for the flea market. Ended up leaving this jacket. Just had too many stains for me. Pretty cool, but for $10, I didn't need it. Then we got this camo t-shirt. And then both of these Indiana pants. These are from the 70s, 80s on the sand net. I'm guessing they're the ABA inaugural Pacers team, but I'm not 100% sure. Very cool find, though, and I would love some more information if you can find some. We got a Harley Davidson t-shirt. This Realtree Y2K hoodie has a company on it, but still pretty cool. Then we got a Carhartt green jacket. Nice little zip up. We also grabbed this super thick wool blanket, kind of like Pendleton. And then this vintage Vera Bradley bag. These have comped out for me for around 30 to 40 bucks, so I picked it up. I think I can do something with it for that. At this stop, we picked up a bunch of early 2000s / modern retro Y2K grungy cargo pants. I ended up selling these all for about 20 bucks a piece in the flea market. I put a bunch of them in for 15, and then on Depop I sold about half of them for 25. So it's about 20 bucks a piece, which I'm cool with picking them up for $4.99 or $7.99 a piece. Nice little profit for these, and I don't find a lot of these good cargos here and there. Good wide leg design, unisex fit, gotta love it. We got this fake Camp Flogna Kanye piece, put in the flea market, 15 bucks. I think it'll sell. The Minnesota Y2K hoodie, good fade on that one. At this stop, we also got this Motor Harley Davidson tie-dye t-shirt with this Ferry the Mountain t-shirt. Those always sell well for me for $4. This one picked up this Harley Davidson long sleeve, some good biker long sleeves at this stop. The Strip Club Choppers, nice little piece, good long sleeve and fade on that one. Another Harley Davidson long sleeve. These ones are newer, but still can sell them for around 20 bucks. The LL Bean Chinchilla, another piece I think I can get around 20 to 25. The Operation Desert Storm crew neck. Then we got this Target Ganassi Racing 90s piece. Again, another $10 piece at the event. This Champion customized tie-dye, super cool piece, good crew neck and good colors. And this Abercrombie & Fitch wool piece, I thought it looked really cool. It's like a red cross. These sell really well, and that one sold really quick with the North Face convertible hiking pants. And at this stop, we picked up this Wrangler Hero blanket line jacket. Sold really well for me for 50 bucks. I think it sold within the hour of posting, so easy pickup. Nice little denim jacket. This one sold in the flea market for about 30 bucks. Random brand, but nice Sherpa to it. The Purdue Boilermakers Y2K crew neck. All my Purdue stuff sold this week. And then we got a Colts, nice little piece on the logo athletic. This stop picked up this 80s Kansas piece, which sold really quickly. And then we grabbed this Notre Dame reversible puffer, which I hope will sell tomorrow to my Notre Dame guy. Cool piece regardless. Don't find a lot of those out in the wild, so glad to snag it. We also got this patterned thick sweater and these pink cottonette sweat shorts. Nice little piece for the unisex, good summery piece. Lululemon leggings, I give those to my girl and she can sell them. And then we got this 80s camo pocket t-shirt, nice little piece. These sell really well for me. And then another pair of Nike swishy pants. Those always sell well. And at this stop, we picked up these Y2K women's jeans. These sold really quickly. I got 50 bucks for the pair to the same buyer. So easy little profit there. Nice little 35 bucks in my pocket. And then we got these Nike women's swishy pants. These sold really well too. The corduroy pants, of course, sold really well as well. All of these sold within the day of picking them up pretty much. And then we got two baby tees, the Fox ones. Nice little faded t-shirts. The Y2K South Pole sweater vest. Harley Davidson's camo top. This sold for 20 bucks. And then we got the PGA Pinehurst little windbreaker. The Canada green crew neck. Good piece. And then this really cool Nike piece. Another piece I'm going to add to the $10 rack at the event. Don't miss it. This stop, I picked up this Modern Edward Twilight tee. These sell really well on Depop. We got the 80s Las Vegas crew neck. Nice pair of cargo pants there. Duluth Trading Co. And then we got another pair of Nike swishy pants. Always sell well, and that's a really good color, the black and green. Love that design. Never seen those colors before too. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget about the March 2nd event at the AMP in Indianapolis. It's going to be a crazy time. People coming from different states to vend it. People coming from different states to buy stuff. I'm going to have the craziest $10 racks you guys have ever seen. So if you don't have the money right now to buy those expensive t-shirts and you just want to ball on a budget, come check me out. You guys will definitely find some really good items on the racks that you guys would normally pay way more for anywhere else. If you guys want to check out my Depop, it's right here. I have 700 to 800 items always posted on there, and I post every single day. And my Instagram right here, where you guys can see all of my live finds and get them before they even go on Depop, or you'll see them on YouTube. So yeah, I'll catch you guys next week. It's going to be a crazy good video. We're going down south, see some homies down there I haven't seen in a long time, and we're thrifting areas I haven't thrifted in 4 or 5 years, so I'm super excited about that. But it'll be next week, so I'll catch you guys then. Peace.